Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Just want to show you what's happening today, 2097. So today we removed the power steering pump out from the housing, and you look at that, it's pretty bad, leaking already. So we're going to remove this out so we can get a new power steering pump fitted to the car, because it's going to get worse. It's already leaking pretty bad here. It's going to get worse again later on. So if you look at the leak there, it's pretty bad. They leak from the seal as well. So the front seal, they leak from the front seal. That's the biggest problem they've got. And we're going to put a new o-ring for the actual reservoir at the back here. Reservoir and the pump are bolted together by bolts, 2 bolts, and the o-ring in between. So I'm going to get a new o-ring between that and the pump. And the best way to do it is this bracket here. Sorry, this pipe here goes behind it. See that yellow, that little red plug here? It's very hard to take off. So what I usually do is take this whole housing off, take the whole thing out properly, and then take the pipe off outside using the special tool, because right now the special tool is not working because it doesn't want to move at all. So you end up breaking things. So just take everything out. I'll show you in the next video. Once we take it out, you can see it more clearly on this 997 Porsche. Alright, this is similar to the 996 as well, similar stuff. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.